Have you been wondering, what year is my EZGO Golf Cart? You're not alone. It's actually one of the most common questions golf cart owners have, and today we'll walk you through exactly how to find out. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. First things first, you'll want to locate the serial number or manufacturer's code. It's usually easy to find once you know where to look. For most EZGO carts, check right inside the passenger side glove box. Open it up and look for a small plate or a sticker with numbers and letters. If it's not there, don't worry. Another common place is underneath the seat, especially near the battery compartment or along the frame. Once you've found the code, it's time to decode it. On most EZGO models made after 1976, the last two digits of the manufacturer's code will tell you the year your cart was built. For example, if your code says G2985, those last two numbers, 85, mean it's a 1985 model. Now, if you have a newer model, especially one made after 2005, you might notice the serial numbers got even easier to read. Many newer EZGOs clearly include the model year within the first few digits. But what if the sticker's missing? Or too faded to read? You can check the body style, the dashboard layout, even details like headlight shape and steering wheel design. Over the decades, EZGO has made changes that can give you important clues. There are also great online resources, like EZGO serial number lookup tools, where you can match your cart's features to a model year range. So, quick recap. Find your serial number, look at the last two digits. And if that's missing, use the cart's design and online help to make your best estimate. Knowing your golf cart's year can help when ordering parts, scheduling maintenance, or even selling it in the future. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more golf cart tips.